Hussain that refugees who'd been rendered homeless in recent violence have opposed Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi's visit to their camp. The Chief Minister's convoy has been targeted, following which police resorted to blank fire and baton charge. Let's go across to Waspir Hussain, who joins us on the phone line. Waspir, share the details, please.
Well, yes, there has been an attack by elements in Nagaland on the bordering areas in eastern Assam's Golaghat district. This violence has been on this started about a week back, and 14 people have been shot dead by gunmen who fired on the villagers settled along the Assam-Nagaland border. These Naga gunmen have shot and killed at least 14 civilians, and these clashes have rendered about 10,000 people homeless, and they have been lodged in the relief camps in Assam's Golaghat district. So this morning, when Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi was trying to make a visit to these relief camps to ascertain the condition of the people, the agitated refugees actually targeted his convoy, and they raised blockades, not allowing him to visit the refugee camps. And this has led to a clash between the police who were trying to protect the Chief Minister and the agitated inmates of the camp, forcing the police to open fire in the air and resort to baton charge. So this is an extremely charged atmosphere at this point in time in eastern Assam's Golaghat district, where there has already been, let me tell you, that there has been a quote-unquote economic blockade launched by several groups and organizations in Assam, preventing vehicles from going into Nagaland carrying essential commodities. This is an extremely peculiar situation because an interstate border dispute, this has been a protracted border dispute between Assam and Nagaland.
Yes.
And in 1985, also there was a worst clash when about 100 people were killed in that area. So this is an extremely volatile situation, and yesterday Tarun Gogoi's son Gaurav Gogoi, the local MP, also faced a similar blockade, and today the Assam Chief Minister could not visit the relief camps to take stock of the situation. In fact, this is something which has come at a time when the Assam government has almost expressed the inability to deal with the situation, saying that that is an area manned by a neutral force, that is the CRPF, as part of an old agreement. They've been deployed there as a neutral force between Assam and Nagaland. They have not really acted, and the Assam government has expressed its helplessness in the situation. This has been exemplified today in this the refugees preventing the Chief Minister from visiting the area.